Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Harry's deodorant is probably one of the most sought-after personal care items on the market right now, and for good reason, as it promises to keep you feeling fresh and confident all day long. But does it truly live up to the hype and deliver on its claims of long-lasting odor protection and a pleasant scent experience, or is it just another average product lost in the sea of options available to consumers today? Number 5. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men, Ember. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our original kit. It's designed for a close, comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision, this kit embodies German engineering excellence. You can feel the quality in every component. This all-in-one solution includes everything you need: a durable handle, 5-blade refills, and a rich foaming shave gel. Perfect for life on the go, it's TSA approved for your convenience. The included travel cover keeps your blades safe. Introducing the Ember Edition, adding a touch of style to your grooming routine. It's the perfect blend of function and aesthetics. What we like. This kit comes with 5-blade refills, ensuring you're stocked up for a while. It also includes a foaming shave gel for a smooth experience and a travel cover for convenience. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit with plenty of blades and all the essentials for a great shave, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a great deodorant that keeps you dry all day. The scent is subtle and not overpowering. It doesn't leave white marks on clothes. Number 4. Harry's Original Shaving Kit, Ember. Introducing Harry's Original Shaving Kit, designed for the modern man. Experience a close, comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision, this kit features German engineering for exceptional performance. You'll feel the difference from the first stroke. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need. It comes with a durable razor handle, 3-blade refills, and a foaming shave gel. Keep your razor protected on the go with the included travel blade cover. It's designed for convenience wherever your day takes you. Discover the sophisticated Ember design. It adds a touch of style to your daily grooming routine. Elevate your shaving experience with this premium set. It's the perfect gift for yourself or someone special. What we like. This option provides 3-blade refills, a foaming shave gel, and a travel cover. It's a great balance of value and essential shaving components. If you're new to Harry's or prefer a solid introductory set with a good number of blades and the necessary accessories, consider this kit. What people say. The scent is subtle and not overpowering. It lasts all day, even through a workout. The deodorant applies smoothly without leaving a sticky residue. Number 3. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men, Ocean Blue. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our meticulously crafted kit. It's designed to provide a close, comfortable shave every time. Engineered with precision in Germany, this kit delivers exceptional performance. You'll feel the difference in quality and design. This comprehensive set includes a durable razor handle, 3-blade refills, and a foaming shave gel. It has everything you need for a perfect shave. Keep your razor protected on the go with the included travel blade cover. It ensures your blade stays sharp and safe wherever you are. Add a touch of style to your grooming routine with this elegant ocean blue finish. It looks as good as it performs. Choose Harry's for a shaving experience that combines quality, performance, and style. Upgrade your daily ritual today. What we like. Featuring a vibrant ocean blue handle, this kit includes 3-blade refills and foaming shave gel. It offers a stylish aesthetic along with the core shaving necessities. If you appreciate a pop of color in your grooming tools and want a reliable shave with a good supply of blades, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The scent is a subtle, clean, and fresh scent that is not overpowering. It goes on clear and doesn't leave white marks on clothing. The deodorant is effective and keeps you dry all day. Number 2. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men, Sage. Discover a superior shaving experience with our original kit. Designed for men who appreciate quality and performance. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this razor delivers an exceptionally close and comfortable shave every time. This kit includes everything you need: a durable razor handle and 3-blade refill cartridges. It's your complete solution for a perfect shave. Infused with the refreshing scent of sage, your shave will be invigorating. Enjoy a clean and revitalizing feeling. Achieve an effortless and smooth shave with blades designed for comfort and control. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a flawless finish. Elevate your daily grooming routine with this essential shaving kit. It's the perfect blend of style, function, and effectiveness. What we like. This set comes with a sophisticated sage handle and 3-blade refills, focusing on the core shaving experience. It's designed for those who want a premium feel and a steady supply of quality blades. If you're looking for a refined aesthetic and a dependable shave without additional products like shave gel, this is ideal. What people say. This deodorant has a great scent and lasts all day. I love the natural ingredients in this deodorant, and it doesn't leave any white marks on my clothes. The stick glides on smoothly and doesn't feel sticky or greasy. Number 1. Harry's Original Shaving Kit, Chrome Edition. Discover a superior shave with our Chrome Edition kit. It's designed for a close, comfortable experience every time. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this razor offers unparalleled performance. You'll feel the quality in every stroke. This all-in-one kit includes a durable razor handle and 3-blade refills. Everything you need for a perfect shave is right here. The sturdy handle is designed for a comfortable grip and long-lasting use. It's an investment in your daily grooming routine. Changing blades is quick and easy with our intuitive design. Enjoy a fresh, sharp shave whenever you need it. Elevate your grooming with the sleek and stylish Chrome Edition. It adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom. What we like. The Chrome Edition offers a sleek, modern look with its polished handle and includes 3-blade refills. It's crafted for those who value both performance and a premium, minimalist design. If you desire a durable, stylish razor with a good number of blades and prefer to use your own preferred shave cream or gel, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The deodorant has a great scent that lasts all day. It applies smoothly without leaving any residue. The stick form is convenient for on-the-go application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.